After making history by providing regional broadcasting studios for several hinterland locations, the Office of the Prime Minister organized a workshop for new broadcasters this weekend. These broadcasters, mostly from communities of indigenous people, will be exposed to guidelines on how to use their respective stations and how to provide quality programs. The broadcasters will attend sessions on the Guyana Constitution, the Amerindian Act, and defamation laws at the Arthur Chung Convention Center on March 30 and 31st. Several hinterland communities are now linked following the establishment of community radio stations. In Region 9, Radio Letem in May 2016, Region 1, Radio Mabaruma in June 2016, Radio Madhya in Region 8 in October 2017, Radio Bartika, Region 7, in November 2017, Radio Aishalton, Region 9, in February 2018, Radio Oriala in Region 6, in March 2018. Radio Essequibo in Region Number 2 is slated to be commissioned by the end of 2019. Prime Minister Moses Nagamutu this evening hosted a welcome reception for personnel that will be attending the regional radio workshop. Reporting from his official residence on Main Street with videographer Kareem Peters, Rebecca Ganesh, Info Hub.